In this video, I'm going to show you what an $800 Christmas light job looks like. That's right, $800. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we light up these lights and how we made this house look beautiful. And this is Jason. Again, I don't recommend getting on roofs without safety proper. This isn't my business. I'm just doing a ride along. So before you give me a bunch of slack about that, I just wanted to say that I did film it. That's how they do it, and I can't do nothing about that. But please use safety gear. Make sure you're using a harness anytime we're on a roof and that kind of thing.
So I'll probably stay on the roof. So a house like this, I shouldn't do lights because it is pain to be all around, and I like to keep my power up and ran first, and then start hanging that way. I'm not having to come back over all this shit, walk out of here. I'm going to run that power straight over up this side and start right here at the first day. We call this get to the roof.
gonna need Mr. Longarm?
Yeah. Well, I'll just pop that ladder up real quick.
Here, I can reach it. Well, this was a fun install. We get to watch him how to install them on this house here, how Jeremy gets to do it. She was a little picky. We did have to go back up and add 5 more bulbs because she wanted them done. So guess what? We went back up and did 5 more. But when you're paying $800 for, I believe it was right at 100 feet of bulbs, we'll give her the 5 extra bulbs, I guess. See you in my next video.